So in YouTube Studio, there's actually a feature that allows you to see which other channels my audience watches, and these are the channels my subscribers do watch. So in today's video, I'm going to simply show you some of these creators out there, and actually know some of them, and I've actually seen some of their videos when it comes to strategies. So if you trade boom and crash, synthetic indices, volatility indices, and so on, then this video is for you, and you're going to see some of the channels you might want to find out if you'd like to know some other stuff, some strategies, and so on. As for me, I don't only post boom and crash strategies, I also post other stuff, so it must be good for you to check out some of them in case you might find something you might really find useful and help you on your trading journey. So actually the first channel you might want to check to is Forex Success. So what is Forex Success? So let's check them out and see what they have here. Okay, so it's mostly about boom and crash videos and so on. Okay, the channel looks good, although the channel owner has hidden his subscribers and so on. Don't know why. Okay, and the other channel you might want to check out is actually KingsFX. Okay, so who is KingsFX? Okay, so when you come to this, okay, you're going to find as well boom and crash strategies and so on. They quite have a lot of views. Okay, they must be really working out, so you should definitely check them out. Okay, the other channel you might want to check out is actually ABCFX. Okay, by the way, if you do watch these people's videos and you've got some experience to share, if they work, if they don't, feel free to comment. Okay,
hello guys, how y'all doing
so
now?
it's about the boom and crash for ABCFX as well, and they do have some short videos. Okay, not bad. Okay, the other channel is TC Forex. Never seen them before. Okay, it looks like it's full of shorts. Okay, here are the videos. Okay, they do as well have a lot of views. They must be really working out, so you should definitely check them out. Okay, I might link them in the description, or you can just simply search and you find them. So he has hidden his subscriber numbers. Don't know why people like doing this. So the other channel you might want to check out is, I don't know how you can even read this. I don't know if there are 3 words here. Okay, so I'm going to read it as CN, Great Consoles, and FX Trades. Okay. So this is the channel. He has about 7,000 subscribers. Okay, and I don't know what this is. I don't know, it has to do with crypto and stuff. What is it, boom and crash? Okay, I don't know what IPC is, so I don't know. So I'm going to move away. So let's go to the next page. So there are about 3 pages. The other one is actually Jason Michelson. I think I want to click on these links because the video is really going far. So the other channel you might want to check out is Forex Clubhouse. The other one is Munyaradzi Mamombe. The other one is GDFX Forex Trading Master. The other one is Emmanuel and Tapelo Millionaire Day Traders. Okay, 161,000 subscribers. Okay, they came to be millionaires. Let me check them out. Okay, I don't know why I've not heard about them. Okay. Oh, I think I know. Oh yeah, I think I've seen them coming on Instagram. The FX Good guys. Okay. Oh, good channel. Yeah, should definitely subscribe to them. Yeah, I might learn 1 or 2 things from the successful people. It's good to always follow some
So as you can see, we're back in the hood.
really made it in trading.
Came back to see the parents.
So I might check out some of their videos and see.
This is
Okay,
the
nice car over there.
GLE key.
Okay, so let's get back to the channel.
Back from the dead.
Other one you should try out. Oh my god! Forex, Global FX.
I'm back from the dead, guys.
Alpha Trade, Mr.
Still alive. Still alive. My purpose is not done.
Okay. So this is it about today's video. Nothing serious about it. It was just about showing you some of the great content creators when it comes to and some millionaires, of course. So
yeah, man,
if you got some experience
I was
to share from
admitted
these
for
other
8 days in
channels, feel free to
hospital.
comment so that others can
It wasn't
know about
easy.
them.
I had to do an open surgery.
This video, give it a like. For more videos,
I came from critical
and subscribe
to critical but stable.